All right, so behind me we have a mountain apple tree, and it's a removal. So this is probably around 50 feet tall, and there were a lot of LFA, the little fire ants, crawling around this tree. So I baited them 24 hours ago, and good news. Looks like we got 90% of them gone. And oh, I just got hit in the head by a fucking mountain apple, my God. I have this really big friction saver, obviously for the bigger trees. This one has the aluminum rings, and this one has the steel ring. I don't catch this, just let it drop. Just everything grows here so much in Hawaii. Like, there's just stuff that grows all over these trees. I use a friction saver pretty much every time I climb. It just makes it so easy to zip around on these trees. Oh, there's like fruit falling on my head right now. Dude, I got fruit falling on my head. I'm scared to look up right now. If I look up, I'm gonna get hit in the face by one of these fruits. Oh wow, that's so juicy, really sweet. Of course the ants like it, you know. Just checking for LFA. So far, oh, there's a fire ant up here. Oh, these fruits taste so good. Oh, there's fire ants up here. Not good at all, man. And they're like right in this little dead piece of wood. There's some fire ants right in there. Camera where a fruit just smashed right on the back of the camera. Yeah, maybe it's a carburetor thing, maybe it's a clutch plate thing. I don't really know a lot about that chainsaw, honestly. I just know how to use these things. I don't really know. I abuse them, I use them. Angelina and I found out that the ants seem to feel aggressive when they're underneath leaves. So I'm just gonna try and cut away some of these leaves that might have fire ants, which probably have fire ants. 48 hours since I baited them, so I'm pretty sure they're still up here. Okay, so got these branches tied up. Get rid of those. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Dude, we're gonna zip everything. We're gonna zip out the top. A little zip everywhere. We're gonna keep that tree right there. What a great day. We're ziplining branches out of a mountain apple tree. Look at how beautiful it is out here. There's a big jacaranda tree over there, Norfolk pine trees. This is a lychee tree. All these mountain apples. Wow, it's like candy. It's like sour. Oh my god. As long, I mean, I can try and get it like maybe a little bit lower than it. Would that be better for you?
I think so, if you can.
Yeah, I can try and get it a little lower. This was your handle. It was sitting in the bushes.
There's two in the back and one in the front, right?
Yep, so the one in the back, guys, right here coming out. You'll just have these two left. These two right here. We'll take out those two and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Sure. Awesome, thank you. All right, here it goes. The heartwood on this thing, pretty young, probably only like, shoot, I don't know, that thing was like 50 feet tall. This thing was probably only like 15 years old. We eliminated that tree and then another co-dominant one that was kind of in between those two over there. Cleaned that whole area up and got this ready for the chipper. So we're gonna back the chipper up over here. And Angelina was cutting a few things over here and a few fire ants fell on her and bit her neck, unfortunately. So that wraps it up for the day, guys. Great job, Angelina. Let's try that again. Yeah.